What I even start off with, Daddy? My name is Alberta. I'm really excited to be here, but I'm scared and I'm nervous. How I did this makeup is, I went in my dad's car. There was a mirror. I was sitting in the front seat with a seatbelt on. I'm so excited to be here. Isn't that weird? But I'm sorry. I started with the pink stuff, which is actually this. It's this. I started with this, and then I did like this one for the see and then I did a little more of that pink stuff, and then I did this for my lips. Look, so that's, and then I did that color, and then that color, and then that color that I made a very beautiful face. And also for this one and this one, I did this. And also, look at, I did that. I just made dots like this. I did like that. Okay, that's how I did my beautiful makeup.